Fling that out of here. Don't need that.
Have a pleasant drive.
You look good. I'm starting over now.
Start it over. I'm going to show you one of the easiest jobs to do on the car. If you want to do it yourself, it's the replacement of a serpentine belt on an automatic belt tensioner. Those look like this. I'm not, go back.
Hold on, give me a second. Okay, go.
An automatic tensioner pulley looks like this. If you have one of those, then you're going to probably be able to do this easier than an oil change. Let me show you some of the tools we're going to use. This is an automatic serpentine belt toolkit. You can get one of these as a loaner from a parts store, or you can buy one from places like Harbor Freight for pretty cheap. We're actually just going to be using this wrench today. I don't need this, so we're just going to fling that out of here. Don't need that. Do need a new belt. Come down in here. Here's your serpentine belt we're going to take off. And here is our tensioner. That's got a spring-loaded pulley on it that's putting tension against the belt right here. Put the correct tool on there.
Son of a nutcracker!
All right, now it's on there, and we're going to rotate this counterclockwise. Some of them will be clockwise. Once it's far enough up, we can reach around and pull the belt off. So now the belt's loose, and we can pull it off all these pulleys. If you don't know which way the belt goes on, take a picture of your belt before you take it off. That way you can know how to put it back on, or most of the time you can Google it. It's pretty easy. Here's the, come closer. So here's why we're replacing this belt today. Here is your old belt. You see all these cracks. You see how deep the valleys are.
The Grand Canyon is one of the 7
in between the ribs compared to the new one. This belt could snap at any time. And then you would lose all of your accessories, your alternator, your power steering, possibly a water pump. All of those run off of this belt. But now we're going to route this belt back onto these pulleys and then use this wrench again to move that tensioner so there's not any tension on the belt. Put it back on. All right, now the new belt is routed. We're going to get our tension released on that tensioner and pull the belt across that final pulley and slowly release the tensioner. And now the belt's installed. If there's some spots on a smooth pulley where it's off just a little bit, that's all right. Once you start up the car and it starts moving, it'll self-align. But anywhere where the ribs anywhere there's a ribbed pulley, you want to make sure that's properly aligned and go around and just do a quick visual inspection on everything. So let's go ahead and give it a start. All right, quick visual inspection of the belt. It's running around quite easily. Doesn't look like it's sliding or skipping off. We did a great job here.
Your hand for me.
All right, it's really that simple. If you're thinking about doing a job like this, hopefully this video helped to give you an idea of what it would take. Just trying to give you an idea if it's something that you want to do. I'll see you around the farm.